a huge tumble in the fast right-handers. It's over. There's not going to be a first win here in 2019 for Marc Marquez. The long, long way for his 100th Grand Prix success rolls on as he rolls through the gravel track. Turn 11. You're motoring through there, the Alex Trivier corner, 200 kilometers an hour at the tip-in. The front just squashes away from underneath Marc Marquez. So for the second year in a row on the factory Ducati here in Jerez, Marc Marquez crashes out early of podium contention.